I've seen them all over the world.
It's like an ejection seat. Until you experience, you just don't know.
It is the best known icon, really, in the country.
And everybody got a little misty-eyed over the fact that we were closing down something that had become really a very important part of our surgical world.
The Mobile Surgery Unit, MMIC's flagship commercial product, is nothing short of a marvel. The idea, brilliant. The engineering, amazing. The onboard equipment, state-of-the-art. The ergonomics, smooth. The manufacturing, American. The customer service, all that and then some. The whole package, simply marvelous. Bringing tomorrow's healthcare to the world today is a reality thanks to MMIC. What started as a brilliant idea is changing the lives of people all over the world for the better.
Welcome to Mobile Medical International Corporation's Mobile Surgery Unit. This is something that was designed to be a rapidly deployable, fully integrated, self-contained mobile surgical unit. Essentially what it is a large tractor-trailer. You push a button, it expands out and triples in size, and it makes into a full-up hospital.
When I started looking at the website and the dimensions, I realized that their mobile OR was as large as our existing ORs.
Truly, once you walk into it, and it's like, I can't believe I'm walking into a trailer truck.
They even brought one of the units into Charlottesville, and within 2 hours he had the thing operational.
The fully expandable operating room is on par with the finest operating rooms in the country. With a spacious entrance and transition area and a roomy pre-op and recovery area, the mobile surgery unit compares favorably to permanent structures. The patient care consoles are fully equipped to American hospital standards. The ingenious use of space allows for maximum storage. The rail-mounted modular cabinetry is easily customizable for many different applications. The centralized nurses station allows for easy visual and electronic monitoring from a single location. The mobile surgery unit is equipped with separate soiled and clean rooms for isolating contaminants and maintaining sterility throughout. Additional features found in the mobile surgery unit are a full spectrum of medical gas, synchronized time, and nurse call systems.
Every aspect you'd have in a full ambulatory surgery center is in this unit.
The mobile surgery unit is manufactured as a self-contained unit with fully integrated power, lighting, heating, and ventilation, HEPA filtration, air conditioning, and plumbing, intrusion alarm systems, fire suppression systems, and communication systems. The mobile surgery unit is specifically designed to take full advantage of telemedicine technology. So wherever you are, you're linked to the world. Wherever the location, MMIC will get it there. The MMIC service team arrives with the unit to ensure seamless installation and operation. It is furnished with a two-part floor and ceiling system for weather and thermal protection.
We were a little bit concerned as we started this that was it stable, would it sway, would the wind blow and shake it?
And we had some horrific winters and summers, and we were able to manage through all of them.
Through all kinds of weather, because you get some great storms coming in off the Pacific.
What we see in our country today is an aging infrastructure. This includes hospitals that are in need of renovation. The mobile surgery unit is proving to be a tremendous benefit to hospitals when they need to renovate, upgrade, or add to their surgical suites and services.
Where hospitals use them for renovation purposes, it's a tremendous cost savings.
I began using the mobile medical surgical unit in 2002 when we had one of my operating rooms at Washington Hospital going down for a major renovation.
I was working for San Ramon Regional Medical Center, and we wanted to expand our services in our hospital and build a surgical suite so that we could take care of our cardiac patients.
If you use a mobile unit, you can literally maintain that surgical flow, avoid the cost to send the cases out of system.
We were embarking on what was going to be about a 5-year capital renovation program.
Back in 2003, the national boards decided it was time to renovate the Honolulu Hospital. It was one of our 1960 models. And so we felt we needed to go out and see what we could do.
And while one of our rooms needed a major renovation, a major change in the laminar flow, which was going to take almost a year to complete, it was untenable for me not to operate in 2 rooms. And so Washington Hospital wisely decided to bring in a mobile operating room to work with us in that interim period so that our business wouldn't suffer.
We essentially needed to take and move from 19 operating rooms that were built in the 80s to 24 operating rooms that had to be current size.
But remember, a hospital is simply composed of units of capability.
We had to have the capability of using something else for our surgical patients because we were so busy, we did not have the capability of going down an operating room.
Took our construction from being about a 3.5-year project down to about a 2-year project.
With the use of the mobile surgical unit, we were able to maintain our productivity in the hospital, continue to care for our patients in the community, and we did not have to turn down or send away or have our patients go somewhere else for the surgical care that they needed.
What we were able to do was really to grow our volume.
But if you need a construction site, it worked perfectly. It shortened our project, saved us probably $7 million of construction. It had a definite financial benefit, and it was unique to the location. Once the Public Works or the Office of Health saw it, till they saw it, they didn't know what was coming. And but once they saw it, it's like, this will be fine.
We comply with all the standards. We meet Medicare standards, we meet state licensing standards, we also meet Joint Commission standards. We're the only company that has met all 3 standards.
The unit connects seamlessly to the hospital with the use of clever hallways, entrances, and exits in and out of the mobile surgery unit. Not only does this type of installation provide ease of access and administration of space, but also helps prevent the infection that is always an issue with construction projects at the hospital.
What we did is that we created a facade off the building that the operating rooms, the mobile units, were actually brought and parked next to, so that the doors actually entered into a constructed area that was down a hall from the main building.
And you literally thought you had just walked into a, crossed the red line in a hospital.
When it comes right down to it, however, the real question, the most important question, is how well do they work? How easy is it to operate in the mobile surgery unit?
And so I led that sequence off and did a 63-year-old young man that needed a hernia repair.
We've examined 300,000 patients, performed 15,000 surgical procedures, even performed cornea transplants. We've performed retinal procedures.
It just worked, and it worked beautifully.
What we found is it was rock solid. By the end of the week, we were doing all the complex vascular, all the complex intraocular procedures that we knew how to do, and we just had a ball.
We did 250 knee replacements in that unit over a 1-year period of time without a single infection, and it certainly served our needs. And in fact, the hospital kept the unit for another year after I was done with it because a lot of the other surgeons liked it as well.
I certainly can and fully recommend Mobile Medical.
I had so much trust and faith in this company and this unit that I had my own procedures done there.
I've been thrilled with them. They're an easy group to work with. They get it.
If we were going to go through something like what we went through in 2002, without hesitation, I would ask the hospital to call Mobile Medical and bring us the mobile operating room again.
They just simply do the job that you're looking for.
MMIC's mobile surgery unit is truly a marvel, providing very human solutions to engineering challenges, bringing tomorrow's healthcare to the world today.